Now, question number 3.
In figure below, ABD is a right triangle with angle A equal to 90 degree and AC is perpendicular to BD. Here AC, this is AC, it looks like O, no? So what best we can do? Now it looks like C. In this triangle, AC is perpendicular to BD. AC is perpendicular to BD. We have to show that first one, AC square equal to BC into DC. First one, AB square equal to BC into BD. Second one, AC square equal to BC into DC. And third one, AD square equal to BD into CD. Same procedure we have to follow as in case of question number 1. Solution. So to have AB square here, in question number 1 we are having AB square. Which triangles we will consider? In figure triangle, yes, AB should be common, no? Such a triangle you have to consider. That means triangle ADB and ACB we can consider. This inner triangle and outer triangle you have to consider. Triangle CAB is similar to triangle. Angle C is 90 degree here. In this triangle CAB. In triangle ABD, which angle is 90 degree? Angle A is 90 degree. So first you have to write here angle A. Correspondence is very, very important. Then angle B is common. Angle B is common. So you write here B equal to B. Last letter. And what is remaining? D is remaining. That you have to write here. That means this angle D here in triangle ABD equals angle BAC or angle A in triangle ABC. Right? So now you have to write the reason here. Theorem 6.7. Theorem 6.7. Okay. You want AB square. AB square means you take this side AB. Last two vertices you have taken. Here also you take last two vertices. AB by DB equal to. Here also you take AB, but that AB will be now denominator. Corresponding to A, what you are having here? C you are having. Corresponding to B, what you are having here? B only you are having. So B. This is by CPST. In above problem, we have not written CPST here. Write CPST here also. Written? Okay. Next, cross multiply. You get AB square equal to DB into CB, or this is equal to BC into BD. Or because here just you have interchanged the end points of two sides. Is it right? DB you have written as BD, CB you have written as BC, and also you have interchanged the two multiplicants. So this was first part. This was first part. Now to take second part. In second part, what I have to prove? AC square equal to BC into DC. AC square equal to BC into DC. Which triangles we will consider? Now AC is common to triangle ACB and ADC. So you have to take these two triangles. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle ACD is similar to triangle you have to write correspondence very correctly. So just once again go through this figure. I have taken triangle as ACD, right? C is 90° in triangle ACD and also in triangle ACB. So for triangle ACB, you first take vertex C. Okay. Here it is at the middle, no? Angle C, sorry, vertex C is at middle. Here also write it at the middle. Okay. Good. Next. Angle D now in triangle ACD will be equal to angle A in triangle ACB. So in correspondence with the D, we are having vertex A. Vertex A. So if D is last vertex, then you write here A. And definitely here what you should have now? B. You should have B. This is by theorem 6.7. AC square you want. So take first side in the ratio AC by BC equal to DC by AC. DC by AC. Again cross multiply. What you get? You get AC square equal to DC into BC. This is second part of question number 2. Question number 2 or question number 3? Question number 3. Very good. Here you have to write CP. Third part will you take as homework? Third part very much similar. You take as homework.